call you my shawty, shawty. You gon' make me lay.
Hey, my honey buns. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the A gang. Welcome to the honey bun gang, where everything is all sweet over here. Everything is all sweet over here. Okay. All right, y'all. So listen, I'm coming to y'all with another video. This video is actually going to be different, okay? It's like the same but different. So y'all, I have never worn toenail press-ons, okay? Like, I was the one who would be like, girl, no, okay? Like, they look cute, but I don't think they gonna fit on my toenails, like, or I don't think I could do it. Maybe because of the activities I was doing, I'm like, I don't think they gonna hold. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just keep painting on myself. I just keep going to the nail salon, even though I haven't been in a while. So yeah, and I will say, with me painting my own nails, I do use gel, but I don't have like all of the gel equipment, like the light and stuff like that. So I would get like this fast drying nail polish. So after a while, I noticed that I couldn't take the nail polish off. I didn't have a drill, because you know you have to drill gel polish off. And if y'all are some nail techs, comment down below and let me know what to do, okay? Or I just continue to watch on YouTube University. But anywho, so I started noticing, since I didn't have a drill, I would use a nail file. And I would use like this nail file right here, this emery board right here, and file the polish off. Well, over time while doing it, I noticed that my nails, my actual nail bed, became brittle, and my nail bed started tearing. So we can't walk around like that, okay? So what I have today is Goldfinger trendy toenails, the hottest trend design toenails, ready to wear gel glue included, and it comes with 24 toenails. I got it from my local beauty supply store for $7.98. Okay, so it has that cute little design, you know, that we used to wear like back in the 90s, early 2000s, and the rest of the toenails are glitter. So y'all, I wanted to go for a French tip, but I knew that would be like too basic. And simple is better, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of didn't want to do that. I wanted to see what this design right here would be. So yeah, and normally I'm a white toenail girl. And I do color sometimes too, but I just feel like if I do color, my nails gotta match. So let's get into it. So, you know, of course, I got my nail polish remover. Either I'll be cleaning with my nail polish remover or my 70% alcohol. I need to go get a cotton ball though. I have my cuticle pusher. I have my nail file, which I'm sure all of that comes in here. I'll open it up with y'all, of course. My cuticle oil and my nails. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with my 70% alcohol, put it on my cotton swab, and I'm going to clean off anything, any product that could be on my toenails, okay? My nail bed. And y'all, like, I don't know, like my nail bed, I let them breathe, of course, you know, and they're not discolorated or anything like green and stuff like that, but they just don't look the same. They're not full. They are not full. All right, so let's open them up and let's find our toenail size. See, I knew it would come with the glue. Kiss, 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 kiss. So obviously, I'm assuming Goldfinger is probably like a sister company to Kiss because they are second best to the Kiss brand and they have the Kiss nail glue, okay? And I see a cuticle pusher, but I don't see a file, the emery board, so that's cool. We'll figure it out. So this is how it comes. So let's see. I think this is a size 0, which I'm probably gonna need. So we'll just sit that to the side. This is a size 1. Okay, that 1 is gonna be too short. So obviously I'm gonna have to lift them up anyway. So we're gonna put the 0 to the side. It is a bit short, so I'm gonna have to raise it up a little so it can look like I need a filling in. Okay, for the next toe, this is the size, y'all, the glitter is on them, I can't tell. I think this is a size 5. I'm thinking it's size. Let me just put. Yeah. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. So 0. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. I think this one is. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I'm just trying to make sure this don't look right, y'all. Like I said, this is foreign to me. And I don't even know where that other nail went to. Maybe I should just measure 1 foot. Okay. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. All right, y'all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get it popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and push my cuticles back. Looks right. Probably need to be cut. I don't know. We're gonna go ahead with the file, just so that glue can have something to stick to, like how I tell y'all in my nail videos. Maybe I should flip this big toenail a bit. Go in with the glue. Alright, and we are going to do the pinky first. Yeah, I'm nervous, but I'm excited. I don't know if maybe I should have gotten a regular color. Cause who wears glitter on all of their toenails, y'all? Who wears glitter on all of their toenails?
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus
Ooh.
on me? Can you feel the soap? How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's
I'm hoping y'all can see this.
baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I wonder if they're gonna stay on in the shower.
On me. Lazy and broke.
If I soak in the
Now we
tube.
get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat change, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I let go.
I'm feeling like I should have went with a bigger one for this one, but let's just take it off then. I don't know, y'all. Let's just move on to the next one.
Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took her meds. Around my neck,
have all of the toenails on. I'm going to go ahead and put my beautiful oil on. The final result, you guys. I don't know if I like them or not. I don't know if it's because the silver on each toe. I don't know. But let's try some shoes on with it, y'all. So what does that look like with the sandals on? I feel like I will have to wear like dark sandals just for the details to show, okay? Because the toe rings, I feel like the toe rings ain't doing nothing. Excuse my kids, y'all. Toe rings ain't doing nothing for them. But, I'm thinking next time I may try this big toe and the rest of them like French tip. So, yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and join the A gang and the Honey Bun gang. Bye, y'all.
I'ma call you my shawty.